Good afternoon. At this station, we're going to be practicing making spheres with our clay. Now, first thing we want to do, don't want to start with too big of a piece, so I'm going to rip off a piece about that big for starters. Now, to start with your clay, you do just want to sort of manipulate the clay and pinch it so it's sort of in the shape of a sphere. And if you remember, a sphere is the form, 3D form of a circle. And that's really important to know because when you're trying to make a sphere, your hands need to move in the shape of a circle. So some people try to roll their clay like this, and if you notice, my hand is going in a circle, going counterclockwise in a circle. Now this works for some people, but I find if you notice here, it does create these sort of ridges on your clay and bumps, and it doesn't really make it quite round. It's sort of an oval weird shape. All right, what I find works better is instead of rolling it in a circle on your board, is to roll it in a circle on your hand. And I do go a little quickly, but if you remember, just always making a circle motion with my hand and keeping it there. Now already, just from a little bit, just going in a circle, light pressure, I've created a sphere. All right. I want us to try to make at least 5 in the time that we're here, and I want you to challenge yourself to do 2 about the same size and then 3 that are different sizes. The sphere is very important. These could be noses, eyes. You could also cut them in half and use them as ears or warts. Lots of different uses for the spheres. So keep on ripping off pieces. Again, you can try the board if that works for you. I tend to find that it doesn't really work. It might be a good starting point if you want to start it, getting it in a circle by rolling it on the board, but then moving to your hand to really finish it to get a nice round sphere. Again, I hold my bottom hand, my non-writing hand. I'm right-handed, so I use my right hand, just as a base, almost like it is the board, and then rolling in a circle with my dominant hand, my writing hand. And then we get a nice round sphere. All right, so with some practice, I'll be around to help you. Have fun and enjoy.